AI isn't just for big tech companies anymore. It's the secret weapon small teams and solo businesses are using to get ahead. You can build a website in minutes, write better emails in seconds, and let AI handle clients while you focus on work that actually matters. The catch here is that there are hundreds of tools out there, and most of them overpromise and underdeliver. In this video, you'll see AI tools that help you build, grow, and automate your business without needing a tech team or massive budget. It can write your emails, choose the best subject lines, and even decide when to send them. Start with Mailchimp and its AI content optimizer. If you've ever stared at an email and thought, does this sound right? This tool fixes that. It checks your tone, structure, and subject line, then gives you suggestions that actually improve clicks. It also figures out when your audience is most likely to open your emails so you can hit send at the perfect moment. This means you end up sounding more professional without hiring a copywriter. If you're on a smaller budget, try Brevo, which used to be called Sendinblue. It has its own AI writing tools that help with subject lines, follow-ups, and full campaign sequences. It's simple, affordable, and great for freelancers or small businesses that just want results without all the extras. You can even connect these to tools like Zapier, which I'll cover later, to automate your campaigns completely. For example, when someone books a meeting or fills out a form, your system can send them a welcome email right away. No manual work or forgotten follow-ups to ruin your day ever again. And the best part is you don't need to shout louder to get noticed. You just need to sound smarter, and AI helps you do exactly that. And if you're still deciding which email platform to use, we've tested Mailchimp to see how good it really is, so be sure to check out that video too. Once your marketing's running itself, the next step is streamlining the work behind the scenes. Think client updates, project tracking, and endless admin. This is where automation starts feeling like you've cloned yourself. Start with Notion AI. It's more than a note-taking app now. You can ask it to summarize meetings, extract next steps, or write client reports in seconds. It even turns your rough notes into clean proposals or timelines that you can share instantly. And if you're juggling multiple clients, Notion becomes your command center, everything in one place and always up to date. For communication, Slack AI is a quiet game changer. It reads through your chats, finds key updates, and gives you daily recaps so you don't have to scroll through endless old messages. You can even ask questions like, what did I miss while I was out? And it'll pull together the highlights. As someone who personally uses this tool, it saves you hours every single week and keeps your team aligned without a million different meetings. If you manage a lot of tasks, then try ClickUp AI. It creates lists from plain text, writes progress updates, and drafts messages for your team. It's built for small teams that need structure but don't want another complicated tool. You spend less time managing projects and more time finishing them. And these tools don't just speed up work, they make it smoother. You'll notice fewer bottlenecks, fewer check-ins, and a lot more focus. So here's where we've landed. More than just a trend, AI has become the ultimate assistant for small businesses and freelancers who want to do more in less time. Run your marketing with Mailchimp or Brevo, keep projects on track in Notion, Slack, or ClickUp, and if you're ready to build your own AI-powered website, then check out our deep dive on the best AI website builders that is linked down below. As always, thank you so much for watching Website Planets, and if you found this video to be helpful, be sure to hit subscribe and check out that builder guide next that'll show you exactly how to get started in minutes. We'll see you in the next video.